Yo, Grant here with TrunkMate, and this is the BlitzBed Double 20-inch camper kit. So as you can see, that's two of the single 20-inch wide kits locked together, which gives you enough space for two adults to sleep comfortably. And when you're not sleeping, this entire thing folds completely in your trunk, so you can carry passengers. Each side weighs just 20 pounds and sets up without any modifications to your vehicle. We built this specifically for mid-size SUVs like this Subaru Outback, and you can check out the fit guide on our website for a complete list of compatible vehicles. Of course, this also fits inside of the larger SUVs like the Expedition, Suburban, Tahoe, and all minivans as well. But this specific size was designed to fit perfectly between the wheel wells in the mid-size SUVs. Now, of course, with the double 20-inch kit, you do have the option of removing one side so that you can just sleep on a single bed for those minimalist solo trips that you might have. Or you can give one side to a buddy and each of you sleep in your own car. I have a separate video here that talks about the single 20-inch kit, so check that out. Now, the BlitzBed is exactly 6 feet long, but it can be super easily adjusted if your car has less space or more space than this vehicle here. I can just fold this bedboard over for shorter applications, or extend the bed frame out longer for if you have more space. This mattress here is really great because it folds up for easy storing. We do have a mattress guide on our website that lists a lot of our favorite car camping mattresses, so go check that out as well. Now, this bed is supported by the included hook and bar support. This is our most basic way of supporting your TrunkMate bed. We do have additional support products available on our store. Now, I like to get in from the side door Look how spacious it is. Me and my partner both fit very well in here. Now, down here, you can see how this bed maximizes the amount of available space you have in bed by hugging the top of this folded seat. Also, this seat doesn't fold completely flat, so you get this cubby area under here, which is perfect for keeping small items that you want close to you while you sleep. And of course, you also have the entire footwell down here available for some of your other gear. Now, the beauty of our TrunkMate kits is that they stow away completely when not in use. And I want to show you that in a minute. But first, I wanted to show you that you can definitely still drive with this bed set up. Now, I'm pretty tall, so I'll need to push the driver's seat back a little bit in order to get comfortable. Look, it's a shame to have a permanent bed set up in your vehicle, and that's why the BlitzBed stows completely in the trunk when you don't need it. Now, this mattress fits right on top of the BlitzBed and still gives you enough room to see out your rearview mirror while driving. And underneath the kit, you have cubbies here for storing your gear. And you can put valuables down here because they're hidden out of sight. The entire kit can be raised or lowered with these adjustable legs, so you can choose to fit more gear underneath or keep it slim so that you have more headroom while in bed. So there it is. That's the BlitzBed Double 20-inch kit. They're available on our website right now. We ship them all over the US, right to your doorstep. You can find a link to our website in the description. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll see you next time. Peace.